Hi, I'm Ken from the Nature Group. We're at the Melbourne Home Show. Let me walk you through my stand. Here I've designed a nice rambling garden that is edible, but is plenty of pretty flowers in it. We've got some dwarf nectarines and peaches, some rosemary, some society garlic, with a beautiful artificial screen wall behind it. In front we have this beautiful stainless steel sculpture with its splashes of light. Followed through onto the entrance of the pergola is these core 10 rustic posts that are structural. We then have our nice decking seat here for storage, faced with the stone, running onto our beautiful decking that is secret nailed. Onto our feature wall, which is messmate timber from Wheel and the Wrecker. Then also an eco smart fireplace here with bioethanol fuel that is environmentally friendly. So thank you for coming to visit my stand, and hope to see you here at the Melbourne Home Show.